System of equations, Part A. Revision on coefficients. Now we have this equation, 2x plus 5y minus 3z equals 7. Find the coefficient of x. Okay, the coefficient of any variable is the number multiplied to it. So in this case, the coefficient of x is 2, because 2 is the number multiplied to x. Okay, find the coefficient of y. Okay, so in this case it will be 5. The coefficient of z, it won't be 3, it will be negative 3. Don't forget the sign. Okay, why didn't we put positive in front of the 2 and in the 5? Because there is no point in doing that. Any number that don't have negative in front of it, it's a positive number. Okay, now let's see here. This is the solution to the system of equations. Let's say we have equation 1 or line 1, linear equation 1, LA, and equation 2, LB. The coefficient, let's say that the coefficient of XA1 and YB1, and here's the constant C1, and also the same here. Let's see, if these two equations only have one solution, then these two lines intersect only in one point. Okay, infinite solution, so this only means one thing, that these two equations point to one line. So LA is LB. Then, if that's true, then the coefficient of x over the coefficient of x in the other equation will be equal to the coefficient of y, b1 over b2 equals c1 over c2. Okay, if there is no solutions, you tried and tried and tried, and there is no solution to the equation. Okay, this will only mean one thing. These two lines are parallel to each other. So a1 over a2 will be equal to b1 over b2. If anyone interested in the proof, tell me in the comment section below. Okay, if LA is parallel to LB, find the value of A. If it's LA parallel to LB, or if it's graphed like that, it shows you that LA is parallel to LB, or even if they say that this equation have no solution, you will act like that. You will know that the coefficient A1, coefficient of x, over the coefficient of x in the other equation over each other is equal to the coefficient of y and the coefficient of y in the other equation over each other. So a1 over a2 equal b1 over b2. Okay, so they want us to find the value of a, the value of the coefficient of x in the second equation. Okay, let's substitute here the negative 4 here and the a instead of a2, and 8 instead of b1, and 2 instead of b2. So there is negative 4 over a equals to 8 over negative 2. We can solve this by simple cross multiplication, negative 4 times negative 2 and 8 times negative a, so it will be a equal to negative 4 times negative 2 over 8, or negative 2, 4 times negative 2 directly times each other, then divide 8. This is a shortcut. Okay, so a will be equal to negative 4 times negative 2 over 8. Of course, the negative will cancel out each other, so it will be 4 times 2, 4 times 2 equal 8, 8 over 8 will be 1. So a is equal to 1. Exercise 2. If LA and LB have infinite solutions, find the value of C. And the same here, if they told you that they have infinite solutions, or even if they told you that they are the same, LA is LB, then we will act in the same way. A1 over A2 equal B1 over B2 equals C1 over C2. Okay, so we want to know the value of C, which is C1, so we only want A1 over A2 equals C1 over C2, or B1 over B2 equals C1 over C2. I think we'll go with A because it have simpler numbers. Okay, so it's A1 over A2 equals C1 over C2. So A1 is 3 and A2 is 12, so 3 over 12 equals C1, which is C, and C2, which is 56. So it's 3 over 12 equals C over 56. So simply 56 times 3 divided 12. So the C will be equal 56 times 3 divided 12 will be equal to 14. Okay, find the solution of the system of equations graphically. Okay, we will see these two lines here intersect at this point. So this will be the solution. Okay, we will go to the left to -1, so x will be equal to -1, and we will go up by 3, so the y is equal to 3, as they intersect in the point -1 and 3. So this will be the solution of the equation. Okay, find the solution of the system of the equations graphically. Again, I can see here the two lines are parallel, so if they are parallel, they won't intersect even after they reach the infinity. I know it's impossible to reach the infinity, but it's impossible for them to intersect by any means necessary. So there is no solution. Okay, they want us to find the solution of the system of equations graphically. Okay, they give us the two equation. So the thing to do here is to substitute to get 2 points. We only need 2 points to draw a line. So we'll get 2 points from LA and 2 points from LB, and then we can draw the two lines. Okay, let's start by LA. Let's say at x equals 0 in LA. Of course, you have the freedom to choose any number, but 0 will be the easiest number because it will totally eliminate x. You know, if we choose 1, then 2 times 1 plus y equals 2, y will be equal to 0, but, you know, 0 will eliminate the x. So we have the equation here in LA. Remember, we are in LA now. So it's 2x plus y equal 2. We'll substitute by x equals 0. So it's 2 times 0 plus y equal 2. So we have y equal 2. We have it here. The first point is 0 and 2. It's ready with us. We only need one other point. So we have at y equals 0 in LA. Let's see what will happen at y equals 0. So we will have 2x plus y equal 2. We will put y as 0. So we have 2x plus 0 equal 2. So it's 2x equal 2. Divide 2. 2 over 2. So x will be equal to 1. So the other point is 1 and 0. Okay, now we are ready to draw them. The first line. We have point 1, 0 and 2, and point 2, 1 and 0. Okay, 0 and 2. Let's see here. The y, x will be 0, and the y is 2. We won't move to the left or the right because x is 0 and the y is 2. So the first point will be here, and the second point is 1. We will go to the right one, and the y is 0. So we'll only go to one point to the right. So the other point will be here. Okay, you're ready to draw it? Okay, this is LA here. Okay, now for LB, we'll take it at x equals 0 in LB. Okay, we are talking about LB now. So we'll substitute with x as 0. So we have x plus 2y equal 2. X will be 0 plus 2y equal 2. So 2y equal 2. We'll divide 2. So y equal to divide 2. So y is equal to 1. So the first point here for LB is 0 and 1. Okay, at y equals 0, we'll have it here. X plus 2y equal 2. We'll substitute by y as 0. So x plus 2 times 0 equal 2. So x will be equal to 2. So the second point is 2 and 0. Now we are ready to draw the second line here. We have the first point 0 and 1, and the second point 2 and 0. Okay, 0, 1. So we have 0x and 1y. It will be here. The first point will be here. Then the second point will be 2x, and 0y. It will be here. Now we are ready to draw to the second line. The second line will be here. Okay, now we are ready to get the solution of the equation, and it's here. Okay, now I'll show you the methods to solve the system of equation. Method 1 is by elimination. You will eliminate, one of them and keep the others, or eliminate all of them and keep only one. The other method is by substitution, and the third method is graphical, and we have already done it this session. So we are already done with graphical, and the only one left is with the matrix. Oh, not this one. Okay. You don't learn to walk by following rules. You learn by doing and by falling over. Richard Branson. I think the point of this quote is it's okay to make mistakes. You learn by doing mistakes.